this is Al. I use this 3-in-1 Black & Decker. That basically is a weed whacker. I didn't know. I thought that these wheels come really with blades, that they didn't come. I really don't recommend this to anybody. First of all, the height is not adjustable. Basically, you should put lots of pressure if you wanted to use it as a trim or edger. And when this hooks inside of this plate, often comes off. It doesn't stay easily. And basically, since the height is when it goes on the plate, it takes a distance from the lawn. Therefore, you are not cutting very nicely all of the lawn. It came with 2 batteries actually of 20 volt lithium that they last 15 to 20 minutes each of them, and it takes at least 6 hours that you recharge them, which is really paying. And we paid like $135, $136 for this, and I really don't recommend to anybody. I wish you a wonderful weekend and talk to you soon. Bye.